At Husky, we know there's tough, and then there's lineman tough. We've seen the busted knuckles, the calloused hands. We've seen you head straight into the storm while our loved ones took shelter. No matter what, you show up, restore power, and keep the lights on. So there's tough, and then there's what you do, what a lineman does. And that's what inspires Husky to do what we do, to create the toughest tools on the market. Tools as tough as the hands that use them. Huskie Tools, every job, every time. Huskie Tools have been riding shotgun with America's linemen since 1976. Since then, we've learned exactly how you cut, compress, splice, and climb on the job. And it's time to be honest, this work is demanding and dangerous. We know how you work, and that's why we developed the most durable and dependable line of cutting and compression tools in the world. Of course, we're dedicated to your safety. That's why we test our products up to 75 kV without damage to internal circuitry. But we're also committed to your long, profitable career. Our tools are ergonomically designed and balanced to help reduce muscle strain and repetitive motion injuries. That means as the work becomes harder, you can stay in the game longer. We're committed to this industry and the work you do, and that's why we won't stop developing innovative tools to meet the rigorous demands of your job. Just take a look at the new remote control cable cutter, featuring easy-to-use controls for safe setup and operation. The powerful, versatile Tiger pole puller that dramatically reduces boom damage and maintenance costs. The industry's lightest 60-ton titanium hydraulic press, or the entire line of Series 7M hydraulic tools designed to work with popular Makita LXT 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. Huskie Tools was the first company to introduce powerful, lightweight, battery-powered cutting and compression tools to the utility industry. We've been around for 40 years, and we got here by listening. You see, here at Husky, we pay attention to real live workers, line workers. You ask, Husky delivers. And behind every single one of our tools is exceptional customer service, in-depth product knowledge, and a technical tool expertise that comes straight from the source, you. The entire Husky team proudly stands behind the quality, performance, and reliability of our products. We have the world's widest range of battery-powered cutting and compression tools for service entrance, overhead, underground, substation, distribution, and transmission projects, each of which is backed by our best-in-class 5-year tool warranty. Should the need arise, a comprehensive in-house factory service program, staffed with expert repair technicians and thousands of in-stock repair parts, will get your trusted Husky tool back on the job fast. When it's on the line, count on Husky Tools.